Hello and welcome back in song format. Hello and welcome back. And this next lot of videos about the 6v6 amplifier, instead of bunging it all at you like in 1 hour chunks, we'll chop them up into bite-sized things and hopefully it will all flow. Here's the next video. Hello and welcome back. Another horrible day here in the UK. Never mind. A bit cold in here, got the old coat on today. Let me just put my bag down. Right, there we are, ready to build a 6v6 amplifier. Just looking at layout. I still got the other OPT on the prototype there. So here's an update, quick update. The last, if you watch the Ultra record player thingy restoration, refurbishment, we tried a 6SL7 in there and that worked a lot better. So we'll probably go with a 6SL7, however, more later about that. As part of this sort of whole project, I've just been upstairs to look through my bells and my good friend Frank in the US of A in Washington State recently sent me some really nice bells to wit a Jan 6SLN7 GT and an a couple of RCAs. He sent me 2 of those and a couple of RCA 6v6 GTs. So that's roughly how we're going to lay things out, I think. Frank, bless his little cotton socks, also sent me some superb little, what do you call it, octal ceramic sockets. Booties, aren't they? So we'll probably use those, because that's about the right period, isn't it? You know what I mean? It's all period McGubbins. That's the idea anyway. So custom wound toroid will go there, but underneath one of those each side. 6v6 6SL7. And the other good thing about this, I'm going to paint this like I've got some blue paints in this shed, spray paint. It's like a powder, it's like a pale blue, powder pale blue. And the thing is, like this will, if I leave this handle on, it will make like a, you know, easy sort of carryable thingy. Like a little suitcase, that's what I'm trying to get at. So if I leave that on, you know, I'll be able to oik it about. I've marked where the valves want to go. There. Is roughly there. The problem I'm having is that the centres of the to drill the holes are a bit weird. One would think that is 2.5. You can see that 2.5 inches that way and 2 inches, but that doesn't look right to me. Right. Trying to do this with my left hand, which is a bit shaky. Yeah, okay, that's a tad over 2.5, 2.5 by 2. So to sight those transformers, I found a halfway point, because the amplifier wants to be symmetrical. This is about, what did I say it was? It's 10 inches more or less wide, and with this curvy bit on either side, that gives us sort of 9 inches. So what I've done, I've found a half, and because this is 3 inches across, I've gone 3 inches from so 1.5 from the centre, and then that will be the start of our transformer. I hope you can see alright, the sun's going down and it's already, what, it's only what, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I've finished out marking the holes for the output transformers. I'm just going on now, I'm just going to punch, not really punch, just mark each hole with a bradawl there. Trying to get them as accurate as possible. When measuring the holes from here to here, it's just over 2.5 inch, so if I just go a Nat's Tadger a little bit either side of the line on the width, we should be right. I find this, doing it with this sharpened screwdriver, bradawl, better than centre punching. I can really get accurate, and with aluminium you don't need a punch really anyway. And then we have to have a nice good sharp drill, a little one, just to start off on. I think this is about the ones I use are about 2-3 mil. I have tried to use in the past a I don't know if I can get the bleeding thing out, a proper centering drill, but I don't find it accurate enough. So I prefer using, it's about what, 2.5 mil, and I sharpen them myself using the like a Dremel, like a multi-tool. There we go, that's a good sharpen. Whoop. Hopefully I shall look forward to doing this amp, because it's quite simple. I've already started in my head making it, more complicated in my head, so I've got to watch out for that. There we go. Now then, for these what do you call it, these chassis punches, you need to drill quite a big hole. Now that's one hole. I don't know what you call it, punched out by the chassis punch. They're really good things. I mean, with a step drill, which is what I usually use on the pillar drill in there, in the shed, it'd be jacking the you know, the table up and everything and mucking about. With this, put that bit on there, stick that bit on there, pop the sharp bit, I don't know what you call it, the punch, underneath on the bottom. You can see, big Allen key. I've just got a bit of plastic tube just to make it easier on my hands, because my hands are a bit knackered, getting old and knackered. Now let's just keep screwing it in. It gets a little bit tricky towards the end there, I think, when it starts to bite through. Yeah, it's starting to a tad difficult. There we go. there, gone. Where is it? There we go. Oh, raw! Let's go to doody, the thingy, the punch. And you got like a, the hole was a little bit crap, that drill, and then you get that that's left over. Well worth getting. That's your punch thing. I mean, it's not sharp. I know you can get the green lead punches. If you see any of them going cheap, get them. Right, do our sockets fit? We should have really checked, shouldn't we, really, before? Yeah, look, there's a little bit of play, but I'm not bothered about that. There's still a burr there. And I have a secret weapon to get the burr off. Stanley knife. Just use the back of the Stanley knife. We'll have to get it. See, because the thing's already at a 45-degree angle, the back of the blade. Well, you know, aluminium is only a form of cheese anyway, isn't it? So